We're going to start this lesson by defining the word equivalent. Equivalent is the same as equal. And an easy way to remember this is that both words start with the same three letters, E, Q, and U. Equal, equivalent. Now, in order to find an equivalent fraction, there are two ways. You can multiply and you can divide. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to find an equivalent fraction by multiplying. The first step is you must multiply by one whole. And when I say one whole, I don't mean a whole number. This number must be broken down into a fraction with the same numerator and denominator. The only fraction that you cannot multiply is 1 over 1. So for example, 2 over 2, 3 over 3, 4 over 4, 5 over 5, and so forth and so on. All of these fractions are equivalent to one whole. Now our first example is going to be 3 over 4. And we're going to multiply this fraction by 2 over 2. And the first thing we do is multiply both of the numerators, which will be 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. And then we multiply both denominators, which is 4 times 2, which gives you 8. So now we have 6 over 8, which is an equivalent fraction to 3 over 4. Now we're going to multiply by a different whole. We're going to multiply this same fraction by 3 over 3. We multiply the two numerators, which will give us 9, and then we multiply both denominators. So there's an infinite number of equivalent fractions. You can multiply this fraction by any whole. We're going to try a different example with a different fraction. 2 over 3. We're going to multiply this fraction by 4 over 4. We start with multiplying the numerators, which will give you 8, and the denominators, which will give you 12. So an equivalent fraction for 2 over 3 is 8 over 12. We're going to multiply a different whole. This time, we're going to multiply by 2 over 2. When we multiply the numerators, we get 4. We multiply the denominators, we get 6. So another equivalent fraction for 2 over 3 is 4 over 6.